Almost anyone can be a witness on the Day of Judgment, but very few can be an intercessor on the Day of Judgment. And the greatest intercessor of them all is none other than the Prophet ﷺ. The Prophet ﷺ said, whoever says when he hears the call to prayer, Allahumma rabba hadihi ad-da'wati at-tamma was-salati al-qa'ima ati Muhammadan al-wasilata wal-fadila wa ba'athhu maqaman mahmudan alladhi wa'adta. O Allah, Lord of this perfect call and the prayer to be offered, grant Muhammad ﷺ the privilege of intercession and grant him an eminent position and resurrect him to the praised position that you have promised. And then you can also say, إِنَّكَ لَا تُخْلِفُ الْمِيعَادِ. You do not go back on your promises. The Prophet ﷺ said, whoever does that, حَلَّتْ لَهُ شَفَاعَةِ يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ. He will be granted my intercession on the Day of Judgment. When you make dua for the Prophet ﷺ to attain this praiseworthy station, what does he do? He uses that praiseworthy station to elevate yours.